Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Whop account. So a Whop is a platform where users can create and sell online hubs which can include courses, training, communities or various digital products. So if you want to create the Whop account, for that first of all what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in whop.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Whop. From this interface you'll be able to create an account for yourself, or if you already have the account you'll be able to log into your account. You can see over here you'll be able to find the methods for creating the account. You can either continue with email, Discord, Google or Apple. So simply click on the preferable method. Here I'm just going to create an account with the email. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email. Now provide your email address over here. Now after you enter your email address, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. You'll receive the 6-digit code on your email. So what you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. I've received the email from Whop. You'll also receive it, so simply click on that email. Now over here you'll be able to find the 6-digit code. All you have to do is memorize this code. Go back to the Whop tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your name, so simply click on this field. Now enter the name. Now click on the option next. Now you'll have to pick the username for yourself. You can see over here the username will be written by default. If you want to edit it, go ahead and edit it. I'm just going to continue with this username. So simply click on the option next. Now you'll have to select the birthday. First of all, select the month. Click on the field of month. Now select the month. Now select the day. Likewise, select the year. Now after selecting the birthday, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to choose your profile picture. If you want to upload the image, click on the option upload image. Otherwise you can also select the Whop avatars over here. You'll be able to see the avatar, so simply click on the avatar that you would like to use. Now after you do that, click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to join a group. You'll be able to find several groups over here. Simply click on the join option right next to the group that you want to join. Now after you join at least one group, next option will be activated. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here your Whop account has been created. So that is how you create Whop account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.